Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. And once again, we're going to actually be back with another educational video. So today what I'm going to be talking about is for all you individuals that are interested in knowing how to be able to exactly use MetaTrader 4, but you need to know how to set it up first, right? You want to practice on a demo account. It's like Monopoly money, right? You're going to be in the real market, but you're not going to be using real money, so you can go ahead and make all the mistakes so you don't have any emotional attachment to actually losing money. If you guys want to know how to set up a demo account so you can start copying and pasting my personal trades, I got you guys on the next clip. I'll see you soon. Peace. Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. And before we go any further, you guys know the routine. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man, so YouTube sees that you guys appreciate me every time I drop a new video, right? And also so you can be the first one to get the notification when I drop the new video. Now, right underneath the subscribe button, you're going to see the like, the comment, and the thumbs up. Go ahead and tap into all those resources. Now, as you guys saw, we're going to be talking about how to set up a demo account. I'm going to show you guys two different versions, the mobile version and the web browser version. So first off, you know, most popular is definitely going to be the mobile version. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to share my screen with you guys so you guys actually know how to be able to do it the proper way. So give me 1 second. Let me get to the MetaTrader 4. Go ahead and make it do what it do. You feel me? So we can go ahead and get it cracking. All right. Now, let's go ahead and hit screen record. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and throw this up on the screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, right? Now, whenever you initially set up your MetaTrader 4 account, I'm not exactly sure what screen is going to bring you to, but basically what I'm going to show you is how to be able to get to opening up a demo account. So, first thing you guys want to be able to do is if you look at the bottom, okay, you're going to see quotes, chart, trade, history, settings. Now, as usual, if you guys do not know how to use MetaTrader 4, I'm actually going to link a video in the top right corner that's going to show you guys how to navigate 100%. We're just focusing on setting up a demo account today. So you guys want to focus on at the bottom tabs, right? You just want to select where it says settings, right? So if you hit where it says settings, you want to select where it has the green icon, new account, okay? So I'm actually going to select where it says new account, all right? So if I select where it says new account, you're going to see open a demo account. You're going to see log into an existing account. I'm going to make a separate video going over how to log into an existing account, which basically just means an account that you actually put real money in. A demo account is basically you trading in a real market, right? But you're using fake money. So the market is moving in real time. So if I'm trading on a real account and you're trading on a demo account, and we take the same trade, we're both going to make money. It's just that you're going to make fake money. I'm going to make real money. Why is this important? Because you're guaranteed to make mistakes whenever you first start taking trades, because it's a few different things that you're just going to slip up on. You're going to be excited, so you're going to move too fast, press the wrong button. You want to get all those mistakes out the way with fake money, because obviously you're going to be mad if you do it with real money. So take your time. It is not a rush. Most people only need max about a week total, right, to be able to get the hang of it. And from that point, you can go ahead and go into the live account, right? So I'm actually going to select where it says open a demo account, right? Let me go ahead and hit that. Now, when it says open a demo account, for most of you guys, if you're first time opening up a MetaTrader 4, you're probably going to be pre-selected on where it says meta quotes dash demo. That is not the demo account we want to use. So make sure you hit that new account button that I just showed you guys. So it brings you to the open demo account. And then where it says enter company or server name, right? I can only recommend the broker that I actually use. So I'm also going to make a separate video showing you guys what broker I use and how to actually set up the broker, okay? But for the purpose of it, I'm going to tell you guys the broker I personally use myself. You can do your own research to find another one if you see fit and if you feel more comfortable doing so. So what I'm going to type in the search bar is KOT. That's literally it. 3 letters, KOT. Now, I'm going to select where it says KOT dash demo, okay? Bam. Now, for obvious reasons, I'm going to block out my phone number. I'm going to block out my email because I don't need y'all all up in your boy business like that, okay? So once you put in the name, phone number, email, keep in mind if you guys are using an Android, everything I'm showing you might look slightly different as far as the placement, but the concept of it is the exact same, right? So after you put in the name, phone number, and email, you want to focus on where it says account, leverage, and deposit. Now, account, you really don't have to touch that because it's only going to give you one option. So we're not even going to dive into that. Now, leverage is pretty important. Reason why I said I'm going to make a separate video going into more detail, but the concept of leverage is basically you either can help yourself or hurt yourself. So personally, right, you do not want to have 1 to 500 leverage if you are a new person. That is basically going to allow you to hurt yourself, okay? So if you have $1,000 account, it's basically going to let you leverage that entire $1,000. And I'm just here to tell you that is not how you want to trade. That is gambling at that point. So to protect yourself, right, you either want to select 1 to 100 or 1 to 200, right? Because you want to practice with what you're actually going to be doing on the real account. It doesn't benefit you to leverage what you're not going to actually do when you start using real money. So 1 to 200 is basically going to be like, okay, if I have $1,000 and I'm trying to risk 900, the broker is going to be like, we're not going to let you do that. And they're not even going to let you take the trade. That's going to protect you from yourself, which is really important. So I would recommend 1 to 100 or 1 to 200, okay? Once you select that, we're then going to locate where it says deposit, okay? So if I actually select where it says deposit, it's going to be pre-selected to 100,000, okay? That's usually what it is selected on. I personally recommend you select where it says 3,000 at the top. Why do I say that? How many of you guys actually have $100,000 in general? And even if you do have $100,000 liquid, how comfortable do you feel putting it into a market that you've never traded in before, right? So let's be realistic. Even if you're only going to put in a couple $100, 3,000 is the smallest number we can select. So it makes more sense to be more reasonable with what we actually intend on depositing. So I'm going to select 3,000. Okay. Once you do that, in the top right corner, we're going to select where it says register. I'm going to select that. Right now, it's going to give you a login, a password, an investor. Right. You do not need to remember this information because the demo account doesn't really matter. You can literally delete this, create a whole another one, and start all over, okay? So don't even worry about trying to remember this information because it does not matter. Next, in the top right corner where it says done, you're gonna hit done, right? Now after that, you're gonna have a pre-selected amount of pairs, right? I'm gonna make a separate video showing you guys how to actually add all the pairs. I wanna keep all these videos as short as possible, which is why I'm breaking them up. So in the grand scheme of things, I'm gonna go ahead and hit stop recording. And that is exactly how you guys open up a demo account. Now, the second part of this video is gonna show you guys how to do the same thing, right, on a desktop, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this. You guys are gonna pick back up on the next clip. I'll see you soon. Peace. All right, best guys. So as I told you guys on the previous clip, this is the second portion of the video showing you guys how to do it on the desktop, okay? Desktop, web browser, same thing. If you were to log into the actual broker website, like on your browser, this is what it would look like, okay? But to be honest, I just recommend that you guys use the mobile version, but I like people to be able to know how to do everything so there's no confusion, okay? So whenever you actually log in, right, on the broker, you're going to select where it says my accounts, okay? So if I select where it says my accounts, you know, obviously, once again, I'm going to block out my personal information so you guys don't see that, okay? And where it says account type, okay, you're going to select KLT MT4 demo, right? And then this is basically going to be the same thing. So whenever you select the MT4 demo, you're going to select the leverage, which once again, I recommend 100 or 200. And you're going to select the balance, right? Which actually, I didn't even realize. So on the mobile version, you can actually select a balance lower than $3,000. So it depends on how you guys want to be able to do it. It does make it more realistic. So if you know you're only going to put in 100, that'll be more helpful. If you know you're only going to put in 500, so on and so forth. So basically, this is just going to give you guys the ability to, you know, customize exactly like what you're going to deposit. And that makes it more realistic. So whenever you actually put the money in, you already know how to leverage, which I don't know if I actually brought it up in a previous video, but if you guys actually don't know how to be able to leverage properly, look in the top right-hand corner. I'm actually going to drop a video showing you guys how to be able to know how much money to leverage based off the size of your account. And obviously, once you do that, you will hit create account. And without me even needing to do that, it's going to basically be the same steps. So once again, guys, as I said, I want to keep this video as short as possible so that you guys know exactly how to be able to take advantage of it, right? Now, with that being said, if you guys came to the video, you learned something from the video, you appreciate the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you guys can stay up to date every single time I drop a new video, which is every single day moving forward. On top of that, gently and politely place underneath the subscribe button, conveniently place. I don't know why I just use those other two words. You're going to see the like, the comment, the thumbs up. Tap into all three of those for your boy. And you guys know the motto. As usual, I'm going to see you guys at the top, not front of the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you on Want to Be a. Peace.